Yeah, what's up, guys? Hope everything is going well. I found this question in the group and I realized nobody have put his or her hand on it. I'm going to solve it. And the question is, say express the following as a single power. And the first part of the question is we have a exponent 3 times a exponent 5 and all this over a exponent 6. Now, to solve such questions, we call the help of indices. So we are going to use the laws of indices to solve this question. Now we have a exponent 3 multiplying a exponent 5. And with this, the laws of indices state that when a number exponent a certain number is multiplying another number exponent a certain number, and the basis of that number is the same, we take one of the base and we add the exponent. So in this case, we are going to have something like a. Here the bases are the same, so we take one of the base, then we add the exponent. We are going to get 3 plus 5 and all this over a exponent 6. So we are going to have a exponent 3 plus 5 will give us 8. So 8 exponent 8 over a exponent 6. And with this, another law of indices say that when the bases are the same and it is dividing, we take one of the base, then we subtract the exponent. So in this case, we are going to have a, the bases are the same, so a exponent 8 minus 6, that is subtracting the exponent, and which will give us a exponent 2, and this is the final answer. Okay, let's tackle the second part of the question. That one too, we have 1 over 2 all exponent 4 multiply 1 over 2 all exponent 2 and all this over 1 over 2 with no exponent times 1 over 2 exponent 6. Now, with this question, we have a fraction with exponents. So with this, we need to eliminate the fraction before proceeding to the next step. So to eliminate the fraction, we are going to have something like, we are going to use the exponent. So 1 exponent 4 is the same as 1, and 2 exponent 4 will give us 16 times here 2 exponent 1 exponent 2 will give us 1, and 2 exponent 2 will give us 4, and all this over here we have half or 1 over 2 with no fraction, so we maintain it as it is, times, and here too 1 exponent 6 give us 1, and 2 exponent 6 give us 64. You're going to have something like this. Now, to solve this, you are going to get 16 exponent negative 1. That is properties of indices. I say any number, when you have 1 over a certain number, is the same as the reciprocal of the number. So with this, we apply that same property here. And with this one too, we are going to have 4 exponent negative 1 and all this over 2 exponent negative 1 multiplying 64 exponent negative 1. Now, to multiply this, we need to make the bases equal. So 16, we are going to have 2 exponent 4 multiply negative 1 times 2 exponent 2 multiply negative 1 and all this over 2 exponent negative 1 times 2 exponent 6 multiply negative 1. And with this, we are going to have 2 exponent negative 4 times 2 exponent negative 2 over 2 exponent negative 1 times 2 exponent negative 6. Now, here the bases are equal, so we can subtract or add some exponents. And to do so, from this, the bases are equal, so we take one of the base. Since it is multiplying, so we take one of the base, which is 2. Then we add the exponent. The exponent, we have negative 4 and then negative 2 and all this over. Here too, the bases are equal and it is multiplying, so we take one base, then we add the exponent. Have negative 1 and then negative 6, which will give us now the same laws of indices. When the bases are equal and it is dividing, we take one of the base, then we subtract the exponent. So here, but first we need to add, we need to do some necessary deduction here. Now negative 2 and negative 4 will give us 2 exponents negative 6 over here too, we are going to get 2 exponents negative 7. And from here, we are going to get 2. Since the bases are equal and it is dividing, we take one of the base, then we subtract. So 2 exponents negative 6 minus 7. We are going to get 2. Now negative will give us positive, so 2 exponents negative 6 plus 7, and we are going to obtain 2 exponents positive 1, which is equal to 2. Now this is the final answer for the second part of the question. And we have another one, which is the C part of the question, or the II. You have 3 exponent 4 times 3 exponent 5 times 2 and 3 exponent 2 and all this over 3 exponent 6 times 3 times 3 exponent 3. And with this one, it is easy since the bases are equal and they are multiplying. So for the numerator, we are going to get 3 since the bases are equal and it is multiplying, so 3 exponent 4 plus 5 plus 2 and all this over. Here too the bases are equal, so 3 exponent 6 plus 3, okay, plus 1, so plus 1 plus 3, which will give us now, and 4 plus 5 will give us 9, plus 2 will give us 11. So I'm going to get 3 exponent 11 over here too. 6 plus 1 give us 7, plus this will give us 11, the same 11. We're going to get, no, 6 plus 10. We're going to get 3 exponent 10 like this. And here to the base are the same, it is dividing, so we take one of the base, which is 3, then subtract the exponent, minus 10, which will give us 3 exponent 1, and the same thing equals 3. Now this is the final part of the question, and I have a special platform which is being created on YouTube for only elective maths and core maths, and little bit attention to science, integrated science. So you guys should follow me on YouTube. I will send a link of my channel, and you click on it, it will take you to my YouTube channel, then have access to all my videos. I've solved some past questions, simultaneous equations, a lot. So you guys should follow me and subscribe. When you get to my channel, subscribe and click on the notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And that channel is there for only mathematics, and you guys should try harder and harder to send so many questions to the group, and also solve. When a person send a question to the group and you have no idea, you have to consult or inform the person to bring out the solution, the possible solution, so that we learn from it. Since we are here to learn, let's learn together.